everybody. Happy summer. Yes, I'm so happy you're here with me. I'm here to make you a wonderful fruity protein smoothie. So good. You can wake up in the morning, have this, and feel energized the entire morning. Okay, all you'll need is some strawberries, banana, almond butter, plain yogurt, and some spinach, and then almond milk. Okay, so let's begin. All you do is blend it in a blender, put it all in, and you could do kale if you have it, whatever you have. I always like a little spinach because I like spinach. And then a half banana and almond butter. It's nice and thick, but there you have great protein, with the protein from the peanut butter as well as the yogurt, so it's good. Okay, blend it all up. There. And it's healthy for you. Gives you energy. A green smoothie with protein. Enjoy!